Welcome. In front of me I have the iPhone 13, and today I'll show you how to reset this device through recovery mode. Now, to get started, you will need a couple things. So you'll need a computer, you'll need a cable, and internet connection. So if you're using Windows like I am, you'll need to also download iTunes, and if you're using a Mac, simply open up your Finder. And once you plug in your device, your phone should pop up somewhere in the side panel of the Finder. Click on it and you should see a page like this. Now, if you're using iTunes, when you connect your device, it will show up right here as this tiny little icon, and when you click on it, you'll then just see it. Now, before we actually get started with installing the iOS and resetting the device, you want to first actually select the Restore iPad. Then either choose to back it up or don't back up, depending on which one you want. And once you click on it and you select and restore, it will begin the download of the newest version of iOS. You are basically required to do so. And the reason why I recommend you to do it right now is because this will probably take you about like 30 to 40 minutes. The download is severely being bottlenecked by Apple servers, I believe, because with the gigabit internet, it took me about 30 to 40 minutes to download a 6 gigabyte file from them. So anyway, that being said, once you have that ready, we can now boot the device into recovery mode. So I'm going to close this and move to the phone. So the way you boot the device into recovery mode is by basically holding or pressing volume up, volume down, and then holding the power key for basically the remainder of the time till the device boots into recovery mode. So let me show you right now. So I'm gonna unlock the device just so I can see it. There we go, 1, 2, and hold the power key. Now with my left hand right here, I'm not actually pressing any button. The only button I am pressing is the power key with my right hand. As you can see, the phone right now turned off. You want to keep holding the key. It will start turning back on, keep holding it, and it will then boot into recovery mode. And there we go. Give it a second and it should show up on the phone or on the computer side. So right here, I'm just gonna select cancel right now, and you should see it like this. So you can see your serial number of a device and then iPhone recovery mode. So it is in the desired mode right here, although iTunes doesn't really see any difference between any kind of mode here, so whatever with this. But from here we have the two options. We can update or restore iPad, which I'm going to be restoring it. It performs a factory reset of it. So from here, restore and update. Unfortunately, there is no option to not update your device if you're on an older version. Tough luck, you have to update it because Apple just gives you zero options. I guess Apple thinks that people are too stupid to be trusted with multiple options of not updating, so they just force you with an update, even if you don't want it. So click on it, be forced into an update, and this also performs a factory reset. So this will right now start extracting it, assuming it's already downloaded, and then it will prepare your device and install it to the device. And this entire process does take about like 10 minutes maybe. Once it's finished, you should be greeted with the setup screen on your iPhone. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.